What I'm going to do now is show you how to change the needle. Please make sure the sewing machine is shut off before you start this. So what we're going to do now is change the needle in the machine. Using a screwdriver from our accessory kit that is supplied with the machine, insert in the needle screw, turn counterclockwise, and bring the needle down. So there's two sides to the needle. One side has a long groove which faces towards you. The other side has a cutout, which is called a scarf, just above the eye of the needle. That faces towards the back of the machine when you load the needle in the machine. So bring the needle all the way up. You can actually see there's a little hole in the needle bar where you can see that the needle has gone up to its highest position, having the long groove facing us, the cutout scarf facing away from us. Hold in position so it's exactly straight, and then tighten with the screwdriver that was supplied. Now don't over tighten the screw, just snug.